Coach Ethan Cubit, Ironclad CrossFit, Lesson 7, Class Logistics. So this is the basic layout of our gym at Ironclad. Front of the classroom, back of the classroom here. Front of the classroom, we have our TV, flanked by 2 bathrooms here, and then again, flanked by 2 doors that lead out to the lobby. On this side over here, you can actually see behind me, we have our dumbbells back here on the other side of this door. On the other side of this door over here, we have our couple of ski ergs and our boxes over here. We do have another ski erg here. And then continuing along this wall right here, we have our small rig that's here with, again, that's got 4 targets for wall balls here. Down in the corner here is where we keep our rowers. That's what these lines are here. We rowers and our bikes, and our Echo bikes are here. This down here is a big roll-up door right here. Right here, we do have another small door here. In between these 2 small doors, this is where we keep our barbells right here. Another small door, another big roll-up door over here. Continuing along this way right here, this is where we have a bunch of our miscellaneous gear, like our medicine balls, our wall balls, D-balls, as well as our kettlebells are over here. Here, and here. This is the wall where we have our benches over here, and then again, continuing back over here, we have our dumbbells over here that you can see behind. And then right in the middle of the floor, we have our main rig that's more towards the back of the classroom, and this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wall ball targets up there for the main rig. Now, for the workout that I chose, I had a class of 16, 1, 2, 3, 4. We can get 16 barbells up in this space of class here pretty comfortably. If we need to, we can always fit more barbells back behind here, behind the main rig. We can get another 4 here. So we could get potentially 20 people here. Maybe another couple here if we had a bigger class, maybe 22 barbells. That'd be pretty tight and pretty pushing it. But for this WOD, I chose the 100 chest to bar pull-ups, 95 push press, 95 pounds of push press, 125 reps, 95 pounds of 150 reps of the back squats here. So for a class like this, I would have my barbells set up like this. That way both of the rigs are open for everybody to do their chest to bar pull-ups on here. And then the weights for these, everything obviously would be coming from the floor. The weight is light enough at an RX weight, or we would be scaling back the weights, so I would let my athletes know, hey, everything today is coming from the floor. That way everybody has their space to work with their barbells for their push press and for their squats, and then plenty of space on the rig here to do their chest to bar pull-ups as well. Scaling options here, I would make sure that this is a weight that everybody is comfortable doing from the floor, which means if your limiting factor here is your push press, obviously probably being more than or less than your back squat, maybe this is your limiting factor today, getting that up from the floor. And that's how I would run my class and how I set up everything for my class. Let me know how I did.